friends, welcome to my channel. Here you can watch all the interesting and practical videos. All the content of this channel is based on the reliable medical sources of the world, and the available instructions have been tested by countless people and are 100% real and doable. So feel free, use these formulas, and enjoy the results. Today I am with you with another video, so stay with me until the end.
Alfalfa has a very deep root and its roots penetrate up to 3 meters into the ground, and therefore it is a source of vitamins and minerals that it takes from the soil. Alfalfa flowers are green and dark purple or light blue in color, its fruit is like an oyster, and the seed inside the fruit is like a bean but smaller than an enzyme. This plant has been cultivated in Iran since ancient times and was brought to Greece from Yaran in about 5 centuries before Christ and reached Europe in the 7th century after Christ. In Iran, it is widely cultivated in the central and southern regions. Honeybee likes alfalfa flower and gets a lot of nectar from it and turns it into honey. In the past, this plant was cultivated to prepare fodder for cattle, but nowadays it is also used for food due to its high nutrient content. Chemical compounds. Alfalfa is rich in vitamins A, C, E, K and also has amylase, which is an enzyme for digesting starchy substances. Many enzymes are found in alfalfa, for example, emulsin, invertase, and pactias can be mentioned. It has about 20% protein. The proteins in alfalfa are lysine, arginine, histidine, adenine, phenylalanine, asparagine and cysteine. Hay also contains phosphoric acid. It also has magnesium, iron and small amounts of arsenic and silica. Therefore, it is very strong in terms of food and is a good food for humans and animals. Medicinal properties of alfalfa. Alfalfa is warm according to ancient Iranian medicine. Of course, its tear is hot and moist and its dried is hot and dry. 1. Since it contains many minerals, its juice is very useful for children who are growing and do not have strong bones. Even today, the powder of this plant is sold in pharmacies, which can be used for infants. To prepare its juice, you should pour about 300 grams of alfalfa in 1 liter of water and boil it until the amount of water is reduced by half, then filter it and add a little honey to it to make a syrup. The recommended consumption for toddlers is 200 grams per day, and for infants it is about 50 grams, which can be added to their milk. Adults can also use this juice to increase energy. The benefits of alfalfa sweat and its ingredients. The properties of alfalfa sweat are usually due to its high content of vitamin K, and it also contains many other nutrients, including vitamin C, copper, manganese, and folate. Alfalfa sprouts contain the same nutrients and are also very low in calories. For example, 1 cup 33 grams of alfalfa sprouts contains only 8 calories. It also includes the following rich items: vitamin K, 8% of the daily value DV. Vitamin C, 3% of the DV. Folate, 3% of the DV. Thiamine, 2% of the DV. Riboflavin, 3% of the DV. Magnesium, 2% of the DV. Iron, 2% of the DV. Copper, 6% DV. 1 cup also contains 1 gram of protein and 1 gram of carbohydrates, which comes from fiber. Alfalfa also has a high content of active plant compounds including saponins, coumarins, flavonoids, phytosterols, phytoestrogens and alkaloids. Alfalfa contains vitamin K and small amounts of many other vitamins and minerals, which are also considered the properties of alfalfa sweat. Alfalfa sweat for facial obesity. In general, it can be said that alfalfa sweat makes you gain weight, but the demand for this vegetable sweat is mostly for fattening the face, because few people are looking for fattening and weight gain. Thinning of the face of people is a problem that you will face when using diets. There are few people who have not experienced this problem by losing weight. In addition to this, there are also many people who will see their face become smaller and thinner if their diet changes in a short period of time. For this purpose, the answer to the question, how to get fat with alfalfa sweat, it becomes very important. Although today, with the advancement of science and knowledge in the field of aesthetics, using methods such as Botox and gel injection, this problem can be solved to some extent, but the use of natural products will cost less and involve less risks. You can have a well-shaped face by consuming alfalfa sweat according to the plan. Basic consumption of alfalfa sweat for obesity. The method of using alfalfa sweat to fatten a face is in a period of 14 days. During this time, you should consume 1 cup of alfalfa juice every morning and half a glass of this vegetable juice every evening. As mentioned, be careful that using this sweat for more than 14 days will have opposite results and will be harmful. This method is completely proven, just try it once and you will be surprised by the result.
I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for being with me. If you like the video, please like it. Every week, a lot of interesting videos are posted on the channel, so subscribe now and press the bell button.